Greetings, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the world of dwarf goldenrod, scientifically known as Solidago sphacelata. Our voyage into the realm of plants takes us to the origins of dwarf goldenrod, a native gem of North America. With a legacy deeply rooted in the continent's landscapes, this plant has earned its place as a cherished garden addition. Dwarf goldenrod's allure lies in its compact form adorned with vibrant gold and yellow blooms. Its diminutive size makes it a versatile choice for various garden spaces, while its cheerful flowers create an enchanting display that attracts pollinators. Cultivating dwarf goldenrod is a delightful endeavor, flourishing in well-drained soil and basking in full sun to partial shade. This plant embraces a range of climates. Its hardiness and adaptability make it an excellent choice for both novice and seasoned gardeners. Integrating dwarf goldenrod into your garden palette enhances its visual appeal. Its vertical growth and striking blooms complement neighboring plants, making it a fantastic addition to mixed borders, rock gardens, or container arrangements. Dwarf goldenrod not only embellishes your garden but also contributes to its ecological balance. Its nectar-rich flowers attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, promoting a thriving pollinator-friendly environment. Additionally, its cut flowers can be used to create charming arrangements that bring a touch of nature indoor. And there you have it, an enthralling exploration of dwarf goldenrod, Solidago sphacelata. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating insights into the world of plants and living wonders. Wishing you successful gardening and farming endeavors.